Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Sheer Strength Labs BCAA Capsules, Extra Strength 1950 mg Branch Chain Amino Acids Muscle Building Post-Workout Supplement, 90 Easy Swallow Veggie Caps, 30-day supply. Doing weightlifting and circuit training, take either before or after workouts to help with soreness. For weight room or athletic performance gains, experts say you should take at the very least 5 grams per pre during post-workout to be effective, and feel a difference. When you break it down in relation of caustic to BCAAs, you are also ahead of the game getting the powder. He lifts weights, and even after a long day he says he is lifting heavier without needing as long of rests. Enjoy an energy boost, and the ability to work out longer after 2 weeks of taking as directed. We definitely recommend. Amino acids are a key supplement for gains, and this brand is great overall value. I've been on the Sheer No2 for about a month, and I've seen some really big changes in both physical appearance and strength endurance in the gym. These work great. I've definitely noticed a difference in recovery time and energy at the gym. Taking it before workouts even gives me a boost of energy to help me grind out tough workouts. I've noticed more strength and stamina when working out, and less soreness after since taking your BCAA product. If you are not ready for the increase in strength and performance that come with this, then get ready. Makes it possible to get a similar or better quality workout the day after a difficult one. This helps me rebound very well, less soreness, and better recovery for the next climb. It really helps to keep going all week long without being sore after each workout. Product seems to work well. Was taking old school BCAA and noticed no drop off. It is simple to take, and works right away to give you more from your workouts. Great workout energy, don't notice any of the whole weight loss commotion about it, but fantastic when taken before pre-workout. This product is amazing. After a week, results were clearly noticeable. It definitely speeds up the protein synthesis, which makes you look bigger while also reducing your body fat. She is responding very well to them, and says she can tell they are helping her a great deal. Great product. If you want to shred some of your fats hard to lose, get this stuff. It is definitely worth the purchase, and is a great product for a small cost. Actually ordered another bottle along with a bottle of their Sheer Thermo to give that a try for a little added kick. This is a great product from a great lab, designed to help you get the most out of your healing process after your workout. Results were felt immediately. Increased energy, increased workout intensity, no fatigue or pain next morning. BCAA does give me more energy in working out, and does help with post-workout fatigue. These 3 products do it for me: Sheer Strength BCAA, Sheer Testosterone Booster, Sheer No2, One Best Nitric Oxide Supplement. Gives you the extra pump needed in the gym to do more reps without any added side effects. Sheer BCAAs are easy to swallow, and only contain pure BCAAs without the artificial flavors and sweeteners that popular powder brands contain that can be fatal to your body. Expensive compared to other BCAA products, and didn't notice any positive effects after taking for a month. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.